So I'm trying to find out what the noise is. Come to Leah's desk. Everything's off. I'll walk over. You left American Horror Story playing. Thank you, Leah.